All right, folks. Wanted to give a big old shout out. We had three more presenters on Friday after trade hours, three more completers. We had Renisha get up there and Michael, and then also Kareem. Sorry about that, Kareem. I don't have a photo of you, but I don't know. This seemed appropriate somehow. So, like I said, three more completers. Renisha and Kareem are both done with their trade, so that makes them official Sciatech graduates as of right now. Michael's going to get there too, but remember, you got 70 extra elective credits that you can only get once you complete your trade, so it is kind of a package deal. But Michael will be there in no time. So, three more. Congratulations, you guys. Yeehaw.